Wrongful convictions are increasingly appearing in the news. Let's take a look at factors in wrongful conviction. The factors that seem to be correlated with wrongful convictions clearly indicate that legal professionals must take responsibility for reducing the possibility of such gross miscarriages of justice. It should be recognized that while sometimes prosecutors are implicated as pivotal in wrongful convictions, in other cases, prosecutors have been pivotal in helping free someone. When wrongful convictions were compared with cases where a factually innocent defendant was indicted, but the prosecution was dropped or didn't result in a conviction, researchers found that these factors influenced the likelihood of wrongful conviction. State punitiveness, a weak case, error in forensic testimony, age and prior criminal history of the defendant, honest mistaken identity by an eyewitness, and poor representation by a defense attorney. Other factors include perjury by informants, police and prosecutorial misconduct, false confessions, junk science, ineffective assistance of counsel, and so on. Mistaken eyewitness testimony is the most frequently identified factor in wrongful convictions. False confessions are another important factor in wrongful convictions. A study of 250 exonerees found that 70% were minorities. Confirmatory bias is when someone ignores evidence that is contrary to what they believe. Confirmatory bias may lead to wrongful convictions because prosecutors ignore evidence that tends to refute their theory of the case. Individuals may be affected by confirmatory bias in that they can truly not see the expulsory nature of evidence because they believe so strongly that a defendant is guilty.